Hello viewers, hope you are all fine. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the structure of a blood vessel, namely the artery and the vein, which differs in various aspects. The first distinction which you are able to visualize now is the cross-sectional size and shape of the artery and vein. The cross-sectional view of the vein here appears comparatively larger in size and more flattened in shape as compared to an artery which is more circular on shape. Now we will be concentrating on the structure of the wall of a typical vein. Here you are able to see the intimal layer of a vein lined by endothelial cell which is less thicker than artery. Outer to the intimal layer is the elastic tissue layer which is again less thicker compared to an artery. The smooth muscle layer too, as you will see later, is thinner compared to an artery. The outermost layer is the connective tissue layer. In this view, you can visualize all the layers of a vein and their comparative thickness. Now you are able to see the cross-sectional structure of an artery, which is comparatively circular in shape, as I have discussed earlier. This is the endothelial layer of the intima of an artery, which is more thicker than vein as previously mentioned. The thickness of endothelial layer also differ in thickness between major artery like aorta, medium artery like common iliac artery, and small artery like retinal artery. Now what you see is the elastic layer of artery, which as you can make out appears more thicker than vein. This layer also differs in thickness between major, medium, small arteries, being thicker in arteries which are larger in size. Therefore, the major arteries expand more each time the heart pumps blood into them, and on recoiling to their original size, help in pumping the blood in forward direction. Now what you see is smooth muscle layer of an artery, which is markedly thicker as compared to a vein. This layer helps the blood vessels to bear the pressure. The thickness of this layer also differs in the same manner in between major, medium artery and small artery. Finally, we see the connective tissue layer, which is also thicker compared to a vein. I hope that I am successful in outlining the structural aspect of blood vessel and compare structural differences between an artery and a vein. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if you liked my effort.